Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in to another Jane's Daughters tutorial. I'm Lindsay.
Hi, I'm Kim.
And today we are super excited to share with you this really beautiful, simple style wreath. It's a bead ring wreath. I have loved this style for a little while now. It's still kind of new and trendy, but it's a great, simple design to put on your wreath or wall. So we're gonna teach you how to make one of these yourself.
Yes, I made this one earlier. Lindsay's here, her wreath is already to
Assembled
go.
with the beads.
Assembled, yes. These beads you can get at Hobby Lobby. One box will be enough to do a 12-inch ring. You can get them in various colors, and if you wait until they're on sale, they would only be $3.50.
So you started to string your
I did.
wire.
What you'll need for this project is this heavy gauge wire. You can buy it like this at Home Depot or Lowe's. You'll get enough to do many wreaths. But you're going to want to get the circular wire because, as you can tell, you know, it's going to form a perfect circle.
Perfect.
So you need wire, you'll need the wood beads, whatever color you choose. You could even paint these if you wanted more of a whitewash look. You're going to need a thinner wire to tie this off when it's ready.
Great.
You're going to need a piece of foam. I just happen to have this circular piece, but you could cut a square.
Mine's a square dry foam.
Yes.
That's already on there.
Yes. You're going to need your glue gun and various flowers and some Spanish moss if you want to cover your foam. So
Perfect.
you can get started. Do you want to get started?
I would like,
Okay,
what length would you say you cut?
This was 48 inches
Okay.
to start.
Great.
And you're going to need about between 42 and 48 beads.
Okay.
That's what I counted. I never get the same amount. I just kind of, no, I don't, because I just kind of gauge. I think yours is 13 inches.
Okay. It's a great size.
Yeah, it is. It's not too big. And what I like about it, as you can show on the wreath that I already did, I like kind of just the flowers down below, but if you like more of the side look.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm like, turn it to the side. You can turn it like this. Yeah. It would look really beautiful that way too. It's about like 8 inches.
Yeah, 8 to 10 inches.
8 to 10 inches of space for the dry foam and for all the florals.
Now I'm going to use my thinner wire to tie it together. Just wrap it around. Woo!
So you're putting the remaining wire inside the bead.
Okay, now we're going to add.
So you're taking some of the excess wire to be able to wrap the foam
I did. I don't
it.
normally do that. There
Really?
was just an extra piece, so I did that. But I will.
How do you attach?
Reinforce it a little bit more.
I gotcha. So you used a couple.
Yes.
A couple pieces of wire.
I tied that off.
Foam. Okay.
And then I used another wire to attach.
Wrap the foam.
Add a little Spanish moss.
Give a generous amount of that hot glue.
Yes. Okay. Now with these, I find that you don't need a lot. Like one flower is your focal flower, just like I did with that, and then added a lot of other for dimensions. This one, I kind of wanted to do a sunflower.
Yes. Can I keep that one?
Yes.
Sunflowers are my thing.
So I'm going to,
I'm gonna use a peony for this one though.
yes.
So this did have a really long stem, so we cut the stem pretty short so that we can just stick it right into the center of the foam.
Yes. Then I would suggest, once you have your focal flower, then I would suggest going in and adding the greens for the dimension, you know,
The back. You just kind of stick it in at various points around it,
Yes.
mostly to the side.
Yes, I kind of start with 3 on each side.
I think I made mine too far apart, so you can always adjust.
That's good. Then
That's
I would
better.
go in and add your 2.
I'm gonna add 2
Side.
other blush florals to the side.
I'm just adding these other 2 sunflowers that came on the bunch.
Love it. It's really good to have, I would say, at least 3 different greens so you can give a lot of good depth and dimension. Some of it's trial and error to really see
It
what
really
you
is.
like.
Kind of adding some of the leaves on the sunflower.
Pretty.
Yeah, I'm going to keep this one pretty simple.
Some glue. It'd be a little bit better to stick some of these pieces on. You can always add glue if you're having a hard time with the foam. Give it a little reinforcement there. What I love about wreaths and arrangements like this is as long as you're sticking to a certain pattern of greens and florals, there's really no rhyme or reason. You can do what you like and play around with it, and feel free to take it apart and put florals back in again if you don't really like the flow of it. Love them so much. You can do it this way, this way. You can even make 2 if you have double doors. We always love to talk about double doors, and you can do 2 opposite of each other, or even 2 down like this.
And there you have it. So simple.
So cute. Thank you so much
Thank you for stopping
tuning
by.
in. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye now.